What's up everyone, Half Chrome. Guess what? We're giving away a drone. Who doesn't want a free drone? I know you do. We're giving away this new Eachine EX2 Mini. This thing is a blast to fly. It is patterned after the MJX Bugs 3 Mini, which means we've got brushless motors for fun. You can fly this thing both angle and acro mode. It's got a 5.8 gigahertz camera, and this thing could be yours. How do you win it? Well, you gotta enter. How do we enter? There is a link in the description below. There are a lot of different ways to enter our drawing, and one of them is to subscribe to our YouTube channel. So if you haven't done that yet, subscribe to our YouTube channel, right? You're gonna get awesome videos and drones like this, DJI, MJX, SEMA, we do it all. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. That's just one way to win, and there are plenty others. Click on the link below. You can enter a bunch of times. So good luck. This little drone could be yours.